Hi, this is the TCL TAB 10 second generation, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So let's first open the control panel, and if you wanna add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions here on the panel, you should just click here to the edit one, and here you'll see this down section also with the invisible options which you could add to your panel. To add these options to your panel, you should just hold the icon and drag it by this way. If you wanna remove some of them from here, just hold the icon and drag it to the down section. And to change the positions of the icons, we should just hold the icon and drag it by this way. As you could see, that's so simple. To reset the changes, just click here on the right corner, and to save the changes, just tap to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.